The colonial economic policy of England was one of the main causes of growing resentment among the American colonies. England followed a policy of economic control and restriction, which did not allow the colonies to develop an independent or self-sustaining economy. The British Parliament passed several laws that prevented the colonies from trading freely. For instance, they were forbidden to use ships of any nation other than Britain for their overseas trade. This meant that even if cheaper or better shipping options were available from other countries, the colonies were not allowed to use them. In addition to this, the colonies were compelled to export certain goods like tobacco, cotton, and sugar only to England, even if better prices could be obtained elsewhere. This severely limited their economic freedom and growth. To make matters worse, the import of goods from other countries into the colonies was heavily taxed, making foreign products extremely expensive and discouraging trade outside the British Empire. The restrictions were not limited to trade alone. The colonies were not allowed to set up certain important industries, such as ironworks and textile production. These were industries that could have helped them grow economically and become self-reliant. Instead, the colonies were forced to import such goods from England, often at high prices. This meant that all raw materials had to be sent to England, and finished goods had to be bought back, creating a system that benefited England economically, but kept the colonies dependent and underdeveloped. In every possible way, the British policies were designed to suppress the growth of industry and trade in the colonies. The colonies were seen mainly as sources of raw materials and as markets for British goods, rather than as partners in growth. This exploitative approach led to deep dissatisfaction and anger among the colonists, ultimately becoming one of the key factors leading to the American Revolution.